Good morning. Hey, Snug. Good morning, sir. Yes, you is the famous Gully Bop. So what happened to you? What that mean? Oh, kidney problem. And the man say you can't buy the medicine.
Back then to change it.
No, man. No. Not show me. Alright, so him just come to me and I tell him, so I'm not doing those. Hold on there. I wanna come, because I don't want nobody say my whole no life. I did depend on my life. So him tell me say you're just baptized and you're sick, right? And you is very famous. All you have to do is get you a phone and go up on your live. Make the man put you up on your live.
No, no phone.
In no phone. What you mean in no phone?
No, no phone to Obama. No, no.
Here they then go back never depend stop.
No, no phone. Tap, please.
No, me can't. So but lend him your phone, make a YouTube, a Facebook and lend him your phone. And make him go up on it and reach out to all and compart him entertain a friend them and the public. Well heap of people that are foreign, all both, we would have helped him.
No.
You understand? And he would have get the money, then would have then we donate to him like how they donate to me, to give people. Me can't take on that journey, sir. Me not depend on that journey. So I would suggest that Mr. Bop, yes, like up the live, guys. Mr. Bop, get a phone and do a live on it, a clean live. And ask people, what your number?
7887991.
Come right here, so that's if anybody, any entertainer friend them want to help him. You know, you was an entertainer, so him have whole heap of people we would reach out to your fame. So give out your number, Pastor.
Yes, you can reach us at...
All you do when you get the money, you make it know say you get the money, you know, hold on pan it. I never say you're a thief, I just say it. Because when it comes to money, some people can't hold it. Then we get all 10 and say 1 then get. Because through them know you animal move on. Like me, where have to come for my phone, come ball out who give me. So talk to the people them.
Well, you see, I met him for a while now. We are still life is for him. It wasn't good.
Yes.
And the compassion in my heart, I want to help him. But
yes.
I give him a little help myself, but it's not enough to reach where you want to go.
Yes. How much money am I to find a week for do the kidney transplant something?
How much money a week? Alright. See, you know, you buy the bag, change the bag.
So how much for the bag?
And what $1,000, $1,000 something for one bag, 1,500 for one bag. And you must eat on time. That's the thing. So sometimes you not have the food to eat to maintain himself a certain way, and it's very difficult for him to lose his strength. Because even operation is a process from the ministry that help him with the operation.
Oh.
So we really want help to help him. And if I can
well, me can buy him couple bag like how you come on a sickness. Because when it comes to sickness, me not play.
Seriously.
Joshie! But make him do a live. Me can collect the money for him. Give out your number.
Right.
Make him do a live and make him... Joshie!
My number is...
Bring my handbag. Step on the chair.
My number is 876-788.
Hold on, the son a bun me hand. Bring my handbag, come Joshie, the pink one, it up on the chair. Yeah, all you need to do, like him did famous, all kind of people want to him ex-wife, Amari, she will help him too.
Every time you call her, she record him and stand at him saying my beg on him, so the same saying now call her.
Okay, but she might be, if she knows her sickness, she knows him sick. I mean, I think she would have known. Oh, she knows you're sick.
Still take advantage of them.
So what you do with all of the money where you work, Boy, Bob?
I'm telling you, Aunty Donna, there's somebody like you, just here to talk. When they ain't gonna work all of them money, then I work hard. I send them money them. Every day and leg, and no leg, every day and chin.
No call nobody name for your part.
No call on him.
Ray, you understand?
Yeah.
I come down nothing. I remember you England, but I go England, man. They were crazy for me, so I must make a money. If I don't make a money, God beat me. But when the money for collect, me nah collect it now.
They want, you know, if you could get a bank book. Can my bag come, please?
Mama Donna.
Hold the bag. See, I just put my money them there. Turn it around now.
So,
Mama Donna, when me just bust me, they no hair from bull.
Yeah, but I saw it there's a
you
sickness.
get it too sudden. You get the bus too sudden. And everybody just gang him down.
Fast, man.
So he's not getting the time to focus. The media get him
And
giddy.
me never like the company around me. Like the whole heap of people.
In Joshie, put back mommy bag.
Joshie!
Joshie!
Understand?
Joshie, because you come here and a sickness, come! Yeah, put mommy bag back upstairs. Yeah. Because you come here and a sickness, I cannot help you. You have all kind of entertainment. You need to do a plea. Reach out to either the radio station them or
I
the...
want entertainer every Sunday. You buy me 2 or 3 of them.
Oh, but in get like a $5,000 for buy the bag.
Bounty.
Bounty. Oh God, I'm a G that.
No, look no.
Big up Bounty killer.
Bounty, boy, I tell you. If we have 6 bounty in Jamaica and 5 Aunty Donna. No need no prime minister, I tell you, because them people are real, you know. Aunty Donna a long time I know you, you know.
I see you on phone.
I know you from my name, Lati.
Lati? Where you know me from?
I hear him, man.
Which part?
Born and grew up south.
Oh.
No, born with keep Olix.
No, I never got them something there. I never used to got them something.
Family them. Run up and down all about on them place, you understand?
Yeah.
And the other day, you know, he says somebody buy him some clothes, the music.
Yeah.
And he end up cussing about the clothes and have to burn them up.
Yeah, because here,
You there?
look now, buy me the clothes, and I go when they want me do something like this, go up and phone and make me talk, then bring the clothes, and too much eruption. Oh, one pants, when me give him millions of pants. Until then, most of my money give it.
But that's the wrong thing where you
No,
do.
but here, you know, I'm a boss, me love mad people.
Oh.
Me love poor people, and them me give me money.
Well, God, I go open up door for you. For you do.
Bully pop, me the only artist a boss.
Alright.
We go take Wolver madman off on the road and pay people to be them. It was my joy.
I want to say something to you. So wish, but there's something that inside now. What far that if you come off, you get back normal. What did doctor say?
I go public.
So how long now you find out you have kidney problem?
No, and I really never have a kidney problem. I drop a Guinean weed.
You drink Guinean weed?
No, I drive up somebody a pass the yard and beg me. And I say I give them, but to me know that thing was hard to pull out.
Oh.
So I put all of my strength on it now. To all it up. Until then it come up so easy. So when it come up easy, it make me go back. I'm just feel like something up in my belly. And it busting on me.
Oh, you did have an appendix?
Yeah, but me never know me have a appendix.
So you ever feel no pain or so?
No, me just can't pass.
Oh.
You never got a doctor to check out.
You see me? And maybe some people can
So where doctor say now?
No.
How long it will take for you to get back?
Him can't know. But I'm going to a 1 year hard now, you know.
So you feel like you want to go overseas good?
No, I'm not going to cross no sea. God himself will help me with this, with them. Because I go back down to the hospital since week, yeah? The last week, I still have to go on. And I down there, so till them right and thinking me I must come back. Today what, Friday? Tuesday to go back. Understand? But when I come out, then give me one card, not discharge. When I come out, the security now, before he even ask me for the card, him, you know, all of me I beg him not take you. And I say, what you do you? And you know they do me? With me and the security they attack, and video me, and splice me up, and put in some long time voice. I never do them, can't do them thing there. And put it up on TikTok. Me everybody say, Gully back with it on TikTok. I say, I can't on TikTok, because you can't come to the public come video, nobody. You could have bad like yours, you can't feed nobody in the public. But then says the
Hold on, let me
amateur.
take up my phone. I want admin panda like that. Yeah.
Yeah, so them video me and put it up and
Alright.
people show me that I never like when I see, you understand?
Alright. I ask you something now because you know me. I'm not here to live off of nobody downfall. My style that. So my art I will lead me. My art I will me use to carry me through. Right? And I never plan this. But yesterday when I see the situation, I said, boy, I really can't help you the way I want to help you. And you can't really take taxi with this thing I have on here. Because it's squeezing up and then a taxi, you can't really take taxi. So
Admin, you can come on YouTube live urgent, please.
I know it's kind of rough for you, right? So, when I ask you, if you can, a lot of people don't really know your face personally, enough know you, but them know your song. Most people know your song more than know you, right?
Well,
Because, alright. Let me ask you.
Which song you sing again?
Which song you did boss with? Say something make people hear say you.
Alright, well,
You there?
here we are going. We have respect for certain people. Even if Aunty Donna is an outlaw, round with girls in the ghetto, or anyway, I still wouldn't sing that song next year, but me that just gear a little piece. And I sing boy, if a girl want to walk up for you.
Oh, yes. Yes,
And
that's true.
it's nasty,
Yeah,
it's
yeah,
back right, you
man,
understand?
Yeah.
I couldn't DJ that for Aunty Donna. I'm singing that one there, my God, they're not bad like me.
Me know a girl after walk off. I remember that
But
for
my
true.
God was a big tune. Him walk off on me bust me, but my God was a big tune. Until then I'm the hundred of
Let me put it on Facebook so and tell them to come over to see if any of your family them or your entertainer them and watch. To come because over here
one thing though, I don't want you have a phone because
then I say I'm gonna get a phone now.
I say I can call you directly because me personally I don't like being the middleman. Whenever they buy just come to you and deal with you because
Until then
him can't get a banger, you know.
Until then
Him not have a smartphone.
So I go up on live. You see the amount of people who watch me.
That's why you tell them say you're sick now. All people like you have contribute to the music industry. Them supposed to have a board or something where you can get help from. Morning Planka shot me view over on YouTube. We have Gully here seeking assistance. So the one pastor man bring him come right here this morning. Meet me over YouTube for hear what happened. We need the entertainment industry to try and help him. You know that man here? Good girl, you know him?
him.
How? Yeah. Yes. So him come to Planka shop seeking help. Him sick. So we ask all of the entertainment fraternity. My phone I got dead. Lord Jesus. Youth Facebook meet me over YouTube. A pastor man bring him. So I send call all of the people them when used to work with, we used to get him money, all of him friend them. We need to come together and do something for him. You understand? All of him ex-girlfriend them. We have to come in now, sickness.
Gold digger.
Only and gold digger. So when I come here, so we don't mix up as no pastor. If you come here, so pick me there in a phone and call people gold digger. No, do not do that. For me now, no luck. What happened? Yes. So please wanna come on over YouTube to hear what Gully Bop have to say, alright? Yes. Meet me over on Donna Go platform right over here on YouTube. Where we going to him say him do have a phone. So all I wanna Planka, we know him family, I was him fan. You have a Facebook page, Mr. Gully Bop?
No, sir.
Alright, so wanna meet me over there.
Everything they did.
Alright.
On my YouTube page, people just take them and control them and...
So you mean it's not you open them in your own name?
You have to build up back stuff, man.
Yeah,
you need just a phone,
you know?
Right.
Yes, it's not, let me tell IG, because over there you have a whole heap of fans. That's them can come over, come watch you. And the entertainer them mostly they over IG. Alright, so let me see.
So you say,
Hold on there, sir. Me I try tell the platform them for him get the help. I can't help him. Cause I know, you understand? But I will draw the help for you. So them can reach out to you to give out your number.
Wake up early this morning.